उकाबे रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, उकाबे रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. In your clapping, now I am going to call upon Mr. Zahoor Jonijo to come on stage and deliver his assigned topic of his speech.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. My honorable guests, my respectable teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the topic of my speech is the duties of an idle student. Student life is a temporary period of man's life, but it's of vital importance. It is the time when the seed of future prosperity and happiness will be sown. As he will sow at the stage of life, so he reap in his latter life. The first duty of an idle student is to study. He takes up his studies with all seriousness. An idle student does not waste his time and energy on the trash. He seeks the teacher's guidance. The students of today are the leaders of tomorrow. A nation can progress if the students have high ideas before them. An idle student believes in simple living and high thinking. He is fearless and bold to face the trials and tribulations of life. He is the servant of humanity. He should share the worries and the problems of members of his family. He should also take keen interest in social service. He is well-behaved and respects his teachers, parents, elders. He is helpful and cooperative in his personal appearance. He is neat, clean and simple. जो शागिर्द है उसकी ईजाद में है साहिबे ईजाद. जो शागिर्द है उसकी ईजाद में है साहिबे ईजाद. हर दौर में रहता है उसकी किताबों का खजाना. तकलीद से नहकारा न कर अपनी खुदी को, तकलीद से नहकारा न कर अपनी खुदी को, कर इसकी हिफाजत क्योंकि यह गोहर है यगाना. My honorable guest and Addison lives in accordance with the strict rules of conduct and discipline. This is the time of life when the foundation of character is laid. It is said, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. But if character is lost, everything is lost. He must follow the rules of school and obey the orders of his teachers. My respectable teachers and Addison takes interest in politics, but in a limited way. He tries his best to understand what is happening involved. He does not attach himself to any political party. And Addison also keeps interest in extracurricular activities, just like general knowledge, speeds and tableaus. In the last, I want to say a quotation. A believer's thirst for knowledge is never quenched. He continues to hear and learn until he enters the paradise. किताबन सा इश्क मुहजो कुतुब खानो वतन मुहजो. किताबन सा इश्क मुहजो कुतुब खानो वतन मुहजो. दफन थींद उस किताबन में बरकत थींदा कफन मुहजो. Thank you.
President Kennedy of America has said, "O countrymen, never think what country can do for you, but you think what you can do for a country." So in your clappings, I would like to call upon Marvi and her team to perform Milli Nagma song.
चमके सारे तन, हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। जिस पर चमके सारे तन, हम एक